These AI papercraft videos are exploding across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, pulling in millions of views. And the best part is, this niche is still brand new and far from saturated. That means there's a huge opportunity to get in early before everyone else catches on. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create these stunning AI papercraft videos from scratch using AI tools. Now let's get started. The first step is generating the perfect prompts for your AI papercraft video. To make things quick and easy, head over to the Google Doc linked in the video description and copy the entire prompt. Next, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and press Enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of unique and creative AI papercraft video ideas with strong viral potential. Browse through the ideas and choose the one you like best, or simply type in your own custom idea and hit Enter again. In just a few seconds, the AI will generate everything you need. First, you'll get a highly detailed storyboard image prompt that maps out the entire paper crafting process from start to finish. Second, you'll receive a detailed video prompt designed to animate that storyboard into a smooth, satisfying AI paper craft video. Now it's time for the final step, generating your AI paper craft video. Head over to Flow AI and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 in the image section. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the storyboard image prompt. Return to Flow AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Within seconds, your storyboard image will be ready. As you can see, it creates a beautifully detailed storyboard with excellent consistency from start to finish, making it the perfect visual blueprint for your animation. Now it's time to bring the artwork to life. Switch to the video section, change the video mode to OmniFlash, and select your preferred video duration. Upload the storyboard image to prompt, then head back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Paste it into Flow AI and click Generate. In just a few moments, Flow AI transforms your storyboard into a smooth, satisfying AI papercraft video. Now let's watch the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe and leave your questions in the comments below.